easy morning already. Let's have some breakfast. Turn it down a little, please.
Soon you're the king alarm off.
I'm trying.